Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to log channels on this TV. Simply go to settings, tap on all settings. Tap on the option general and privacy. Select parental settings. Here you can see the option apply channel log. First of all, we need to enable this option. Tap on this one, enter the parental pin here. Now just wait for few seconds. Now you can see channel lock settings is enabled. If you tap on this one, so here you can see all the list of channels. You can see. So from this list, we have to select the language channel that we want to log. So simply now you can see this channel. So now I am going to log this channel. First of all, we need to select the channel, and at the right side you can see the option log. Tap on this one. So here we need to enter our parental pin again here. Now you can see that channel is unlocked. So if you want to unlock, same here also, select the channel list, then tap on the option unlock, enter the parental pin. So simply in this way we can log channels on this TV. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.